Kranti Nagvekar, Group Director from UBM India Private Limited. This is the 7th edition of the exhibition which we are doing in Hyderabad along with the AJMA Association. We are having over 120 manufacturers coming from Hyderabad and across the country and also internationally. In addition to that, we have seen 20% growth in exhibitors as well as 30-35% growth in number of buyers who are registered with us. A very exclusive part of this exhibition is for the first time UBM India is rewarding top retailers coming from across country and internationally who are buyers of Indian jewellery. That has given tremendous input for this exhibition in terms of attracting more and more manufacturers from across the country. So I think tomorrow is going to be a very interesting day for all the manufacturers here who have come from across the country to showcase their jewellery in front of all the top retailers who are going to be here. The main motto of this exhibition, as it's a B2B exhibition, we would always like to support the manufacturing industry. UBM as a whole does a lot of exhibitions across various verticals. So the interest of UBM is always to help B2B business. Because there's a competition. Yeah, I mean, that is a question I think I would never be able to answer in terms of the quantity. But as the show is increasing, that shows that the business definitely happens.